Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time watching this video. Today I'm gonna do this video in English because I got so many friends, English friends. They don't understand Spanish and they say, well, now you can do some video in English because we don't understand Spanish. And I say, so why not, you know? And I'm gonna translate it if you're Spanish too and you don't understand English. Before I start, I'm gonna introduce myself if you don't know me. My name is Nairobi. I'm from Dominican Republic. That's why my Spanish accent. Today I'm gonna show you my natural routine makeup. Sorry if I say any wrong words. Please, sorry. Don't focus in that. Just follow the steps. Just focus in my makeup. It's easy to do, simple, beautiful, and I love it. I hope you love it too. If you don't subscribe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me in my social media. You can find me as NiceWorld18 and my photos, my videos, my life, my everything. So let's start. After the intro, let's begin.
There's something in the air. There's something in the air. There's something in the air.
So that's my simple, really natural makeup, guys. You can see this makeup is so simple, beautiful, quickly makeup, and I love because it's so natural. You can see definitely it's a beautiful natural makeup and it's easy to do. I love it. If you love this video, don't forget to put those thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't, and follow me in my social media. You can follow me as at @nicewall18. Thank you very much to watch this video and see you again in another one. Bye.